Welcome y'all to Sizzletastic TV. Today we are doing a DIY project. I'm going to take and restore chairs. We have 4 chairs that are just, the fabric on them is really bad. There's mold growing on it, they're funky, and the fabric has holes in it, and I'm going to show you how to easily restore these chairs with some scissors, some fabric, and a staple gun, and what we're going to do to fix these guys up. I have 4 chairs, and they all kind of look like this. As you can see, there's mold growth on them, there's holes, and but the framework to the chair is very nice. I mean, as you can see, I mean, it's very salvageable once we clean this up with some Clorox. It's very nice. So what we're going to do is we are going to miraculously save this chair, and we're going to fix it. Watch more on Sizzletastic TV. Full transformation, total difference. I mean, look at the difference here. This is the new upholstered chair with the fabric that I picked out at the store. It's a suede and has a nice pattern to it. Total transformation in looks. So I mean, basically we just saved this chair. Let me show you how. Okay, so step 1 of this chair project, you're going to need a screwdriver, you know, just with a basic Phillips head screwdriver, just nothing fancy smancy. So we're going to get this old seat off, we're going to clean it up, and then after we do this, we're going to reupholster it. So keep following. The easiest way with these chairs is to flip them upside down, and you don't have to worry so much. You can kind of cut this so no one's going to be looking underneath your chair. So basically we'll cut this so it doesn't hang, and we're going to get the screws out. So you can see right here is that it's held together by one screw here, and there's another screw down here and another screw up here. So basically we're going to set our screwdriver to unscrew, and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're going to put it in the hole, and we're going to pop the screws out. So that's going to be the first step in this project, and as you can see, the screws come out with fairly easy. So we've got one screw right here. We're going to pop it out. We're going to save these screws over here to the side. We're going to take these 3 screws out, and then we're going to pop the top to the chair out. And once these screws are out, we're going to clean it up and reupholster it. We've got the chair off, like how I said, and you know, here's the chair, and there's the middle frame. So we're going to take Clorox, and Clorox is the only thing that will kill mold, and we're going to get all the mold off of this by spraying it with some Clorox. So we got the mold off the cushion in the chair, kind of let the sunlight hit it for a few minutes here, let it dry up. Nice, good, hot, sunny day. We're going to prepare to reupholster this cushion now, and it's going to look fantastic, just like the other chair. I'm going to show you how. Keep watching Sizzletastic.tv to learn how to do this yourself at home. Here, a piece of fabric, basically, like I said, that suede fabric. I've laid the cushion down on top of it, and we're going to basically cut it to size, and we're going to re-staple this across this chair. So for this stuff, like that's hanging down, like I said, is basically, you can just take some scissors and you can just snip it off. I mean, because no one's going to really look underneath the chair, and you don't want this unsightly stuff hanging down. So if you have some unsightly stuff that's going to be hanging there, you can just snip it. Or if you want it to, you can also just remove all this. If you had some more of this, which is another fabric store item that you can get, you could tuck it in there and you can just staple it to there. But simple and easy DIY on it is that, you know, we're not going to care what the bottom of the chair so much looks like, because we're caring more about, you know, the aesthetics and functionality of the chair. But I mean, you could do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to size up this piece of fabric, fold it over, and start stapling it to this. So let's get to sizing. So we have our chair here. We've got the fabric kind of measured out here. Does not have to be perfect. And we're going to tuck the fabric onto the cushion, and we're going to staple with a staple gun. Try not to re-go over the same staples that are already on the cushion. So this is going to be the basics of what we're doing here. And it's going to look really nice. Like I said, do not cover up the screw holes. So if you have a screw hole like we do right here, and you might cover it. So what we're going to do is we're going to clip this fabric just a little bit shorter on this side, so we don't do that. You don't want to cover your screw, because it makes it exponentially harder if we cover the screw holes up. So always keep your scissors handy.
Those are my scissors.
These are your scissors?
Yeah.
Well, they're being put to good use today, cameraman Caden. All right. And we're going to tuck it like this, kind of like a Christmas present or an envelope. And we're going to keep going here all the way around the chair. And staple, 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 staple. And we're going to tuck right here and staple, staple. We're going to tuck it all the way up. this new fabric onto this old cushion. Envelope over here, and that might cover up the swivel, so we're going to clip this another inch down. Errant staple that sometimes does not tack, you just pull it out. Look the gun up, pull it up like this.
You have to get this done quick as there's only a minute left on the timer.
Okay. Okay. There we go. There's our cushion. We're going to put this guy back together. We're going to put it back on the chair. Stay tuned. Sizzletastic TV. Okay. Here we have it. The fabric on our new chair. Looks nice. Very nice. New chair. You can come sit down in it. You can sit down in it and have a good Sunday afternoon in your chair. Alright, so I'm sitting in the shade because it's hot outside in my garage on my nice new upholstered chair. And it looks and feels great. I mean, the feeling, the fabric is just really nice. So that's how you do it. It takes about 5-7 minutes a chair. You got 4 chairs. You're going to say, like, if you work steady through about half an hour to 45 minutes, you're going to have a brand new set of beautiful kitchen chairs. So that's how you do it. So, okay, watch some more Sizzletastic TV. Like, subscribe, click the ads. Until next time.